and the subject name is Android programming. As we discussed in last lecture, there are two terms are there in the subject name. That is, first is Android and second is the programming. So last time we have asked one question that how many students have heard the word about the Android. So I think none of the students are available who do not know the name of Android, because recently all the mobile devices comes from the pre-installed Android version mobile. So, so having the Android mobile is not important, but the technology and the application that we are using in Android mobile, that is important. By using the Android, we are going to make a mobile application. If you have the mobile Android mobile but you do not have any application with your mobile, is it possible to access the mobile? Not possible. Okay, so the programming is nothing but the heart of any technology. Programming is nothing but the heart of any technology that we are working on. Same as the Android. Android is not Android is not a programming language. Mind well, Android is a operating system that is offered by the Google. Okay. Earlier, it was the product of the other organization that is called OHA. We'll see in detail while we start the introduction of our syllabus actually. So this is what about the Android and the programming. So Android without programming is nothing. So we are fortunate students that we are getting in such a course, that is MCA, that offers the software side, application side mechanism, that we can understand how the particular operating system as well as the programming task mechanism available in mobile devices that we are studying. So the main fundamental of this particular Android programming subject is to aware you how Android application is created and how it is installed and how we can create our own custom application and put in your mobile device, how to run and all these things. So whatever the application that you are up till now installing and using, after completion of this syllabus, the intention of this Android programming subject is to be capable our student to make their requirement like application on their own,
Sir, voice
on their own, so that you can create your own application by using Android programming. Okay? You are the field of programming, so you can able to create the Android programming. Whatever the problems are there right now available in market, you just sort out the list of the problem and make your own conceptual application for that, and you just put on the market and you can earn money also. So this is very much important subject. So I again request all the students, those who are not still connected, are kindly connected fast, so that we can start the further explanation in this particular subject. It's a very important subject. Okay, 13 students are there. Very good. Okay, so the intention of, as I told you, that the intention of this subject is to aware all the students regarding the programming language available for the Android devices. Last time we have seen some of the overview of Android programming actually, but now we are going in depth something.
સર અવાજ કપાય છે તમારો.
Hello, is it visible?
અવાજ કપાય છે સર તમારો.
અવાજ કપાય છે. હવે આવ્યો?
હા હવે આવ્યો.
Okay. Okay, if you have any problem, kindly ask freely so that we can solve this problem. Are you visible properly? Screen બરાબર દેખાય છે?
હા સર.
Okay, voice is clear?
યસ.
Okay, thank you. Okay, so we are talking about the Android programming. As you know that the programming is a basic word for the student of computer application, and we are the student of computer application. That means that we are providing such kinds of technology to the market that can be used. Okay, ગુજરાતીમાં કહેવાય છે ને કે આપણે યુઝ કરવા માટે નથી પણ બનાવવા માટે છીએ. યુઝ કરવા માટે મીન્સ કે તમે જે એપ્લિકેશન અત્યારે યુઝ કરો છો, અત્યારે ઊંધું સિચ્યુએશન છે આપણી એપ્લિકેશન આપણે યુઝ કરીએ છીએ, બટ એઝ અ સ્ટુડન્ટ ઓફ કોમ્પ્યુટર સાયન્સ we are able to create our own application and that can be used by someone else.